What's up guys? Today I have here with me a laser level that have been sent to me from Huepar, Huepar. They have sent this out to me to do a review to my viewers, to give you my honest review. Today I'm gonna unbox this laser level. We're gonna put it to use just to see if this is something that you should consider to put in your toolbox or even to have it home just to use it as a day-to-day use. It's very useful to have a laser level home to do so many different things. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a few different things that you could be using this laser level for. Yeah, let's go and unbox it. I'm doing a bathroom remodel. I'm also gonna take you in there and show you how to use it for a few different things as I go. No further ado, let's dive into it. First, I must say I really like this odd case that it came in. If this thing dropped from a high distance, it should be safe and sound. Your laser level should be protected. This is a big plus for me. All right, so let's unbox this thing. Comes with a manual. Put this aside for now. We have here, it's a charger hub. This is a battery. Came with a battery here. And we have here the laser. Oh, I like it. It looks very sturdy. I like the way it looks. Like the shape of it as well. Just gonna put it right over here. This also came with some battery. We have our charger here. Charger hub. We're gonna just plug this right in. Leave them over there. This tool here is a tool that you just kind of just put down just to kind of wind it up or wind it down depending on the height, if you want to get maybe like a higher or a lower height for your laser level. This we have here a target plate. You could mount this thing here. All right, so we're gonna insert our battery. We're gonna just push right up to open. We're gonna insert our battery. You can't go wrong. So you see if the shape of the battery goes to the back. So the back shape, you wanna turn down the battery connector downwards. Just like so. Pretty straightforward, guys. Now we're gonna put it to the test. We're just gonna attach it right onto this before I show you guys how to use this thing here. So we're gonna power it on by there's a knob at the side here. Just shove it up to power it on. Okay, now we're gonna H should be horizontal. Press it twice, you get 2 lines. Press it again, you remove the line. The V would be vertical. Vertical one way, vertical the other way. You see, if you press the vertical twice, you can get 2 vertical lines. What I like with this laser, as you see, it make a sound. So when you hear the sound, if you tilt it, you can hear the sound that tells you that the laser is not level. You want to make sure that it's level. Whenever you're not hearing any beep, you know that she's nice and level. So you see I have a flat plate here. So for instance, we want to bring it up a little bit. We could just wind. All we have to do is just wind up our flat plate here. See, we just keep winding it up. This is perfect for some gear or something you just want to barely rise it up. You could bring it back down. You also can go vertical and horizontal line at the same time. It's also digital as well, so it shows you that you're 1/4. If you look up top here, it shows you the height of where you are from the ground. I'm gonna take it over there and yeah, and show you how it works. Also, I forgot to point out that you also have a remote control, which is very unique. This remote control is also chargeable, so you can also charge it. Wow, so far I like this. So once you see you press and hold down and turn it on. Now you can go vertical, you can go to vertical, horizontal remove, you can dim the brightness. So if you want to dim it, you can dim it. So one thing you can also do, you have this this is like an adjustable bar, so you can just attach it anywhere. You could just wind it up, hook on your laser on here, and you could just wind it up to get it to different level. As you see, you have some measurement right on here. That way you could go from 1 inch, 2 inch. So you have from 0 to 3 to 4 inch. I should say from 1 inch to 3 inch. So you could just screw it on right here. So for instance, you have a screw on right here. You could attach your laser right onto this, and then you could just easily go up, or you could go down. Super useful. Now I'm gonna put it to use and show you guys how a few different ways of how you can work this thing. You see how super convenient it is. See, I set up my laser level right on the floor. I'm installing some pot lights right now. As you see, I have all 3 marks. I measure over there 16 inches from the wall, and I also measure 16 inches from the wall over here, and then I can just run my light straight through, just like so. You can use this for so many different occasions. Also here, I have here a mixer that I will be putting in here. So I have a mixer. This mixer here, we're gonna put it right in here, and I'm gonna use my laser to line this up. So the mixer gonna be lined up in line. Also the pipe that's gonna be up top here, and the pipe that's gonna be down at the bottom there, all gonna line up with each other. And I'm gonna do that with the help of the laser. Now if you're putting up like a curtain, anything you can think of, maybe like a towel hanger, you know, you're putting up like a shelf, you know, anything you could possibly think of, this laser level should help with that. Now I would rate this a 10 out of 10, to be honest, because it have all the features that I personally like on a laser level. The art case is a plus for me as well. Yeah, I will be coming up with a lot of upcoming videos showing you guys how to use this laser level as well. So I'll leave a link in the description for you with a percentage off for you to go and purchase this laser level. See you.